Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal honey goat milk soap. Before we begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always gather all your ingredients and equipment first. When working with lye, wear protective gear like gloves and safety goggles. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated to avoid inhaling any fumes. Safety is paramount for a successful soap-making experience. Next, we prepare the lye solution, which is a critical step. Carefully measure your lye and distilled water according to your chosen recipe. Always add the lye slowly to the water, never the other way around, stirring gently until it fully dissolves. This reaction generates heat, so let the solution cool to between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit before proceeding. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Gently warm your base oils to approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your lye solution has cooled to the correct temperature, typically between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit, you can carefully add your honey, colloidal oatmeal, and goat milk powder. Then, slowly pour the lye mixture into the warmed oils, blending until you reach a light trace. Finally, it's time to mold and cure your beautiful soap. Pour the trace soap batter into your prepared molds, ensuring an even distribution. Insulate the molds for 24 to 48 hours to encourage the gel phase, which enhances the soap's hardness and longevity. After unmolding, allow your soap to cure for 4 to 6 weeks in a well-ventilated area for the best quality and mildness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.